Welcome to this channel update number 24. To the discerning viewer, you will realise that I'm not at the marina, but I am standing at the back of the boat. But this is new waters to us. We are currently on the Staffs and Worcester Canal. So let's just go for a little walk along this stretch because it's really nice. So there's the swamp duck in the background. You can see here that this canal is very wide at this point. That's a little bit of a clue as to where we are. There's another clue right in the background there. Mary Queen of Scots, might have recognised that one. Mind you, the canal wouldn't have been there then. It's taken us a good 3 days from Sawley Marina to get to this point. We had some quite solid days of cruising, some 8 hours and even 9 hours to get here, and in a lot of wind and driving rain. However, we have plenty of material for putting together a log of our journey. So look out in the coming days and weeks to see how we got on and where we ended up. My next video will come out on Saturday the 22nd of April 2023 as a premiere video at 8 AM. So if any of you fancy a chat, then please feel free to join in with that viewing then. The last time that I did one of these updates, which was only a few days ago, I observed that I had just tipped the 80,000 views, and then 5 days later I now have 87,214 at this moment in time. So an amazing amount of views in a short space of time. So thank you very much to anybody who has watched. That's absolutely brilliant. And it's very encouraging. Thank you very much for all your support, and do take care.